What up, tubers? This is Ray, the old DOS Geek, rwcweb.com. If you've been failing at affiliate marketing, you're not alone. Allow me to guide you through all the mistakes I made and how to recover from them. If you're having problems getting your affiliate thing going, stop. Go to rwcweb.com. Put your best email in that form right there, and I will show you how it's done. Okay, I got my beginner's guide to affiliate marketing. Okay, this is at rwcweb.com/BG. That's rwcweb.com/BG. Okay, beginner's guide. And what that is, of course, I'll have a link in the description. I'm going to ask you to like and subscribe because that's what they tell me to tell you. Okay. Now, in this ebook, you go here, put your email in here. You'll get on my master email list even if you're already on it. Now, what I like to do when I give my lead magnets away, I don't take you through no sales funnel or any crap like that. Okay, you're going to go right directly to the ebook. Okay, and within that ebook, it's going to have a lot of great information on how to get started. 4 easy steps on how to do this. Okay, just to get you started, get your feet wet, get things going. Okay, it's all free. Okay, you're going to learn how to get a free website. You're going to learn in there how to get your free. Of course, you know, everybody knows. I mean, if you don't know, you're completely new to this, and that's okay. You're going to get your ClickBank account. Okay, if you don't have to use ClickBank if you signed up to other networks. Okay, that's fine too. You're going to learn how to use eBay Partner Network on it. Okay, very simple, very easy, and integrate it with Facebook. Okay, so now what I got on this list within here, you're going to find a list of. It's going to take you to it's going to take you to a part of my website. Okay, you're going to find in there. It's going to give you the URL to it, and it's going to give you. Actually, it's a link. It's going to give you the link to the second part of this ebook, which is a niche list of over 300 niches. Okay, and then in there, it's going to describe how you do it. Okay, how you do it. We're going to take private label rights. We're going to create a website or a blog with it, and we're going to use our ClickBank and eBay Partner Network. And you can really do it any kind of affiliate marketing network that you use. You know, there's a lot of them out there. OfferVolt, JVZoo, all of them like that. But the most easiest and the best way to start out, in my opinion, is ClickBank. Okay. Now, what you're gonna do? I took a name off of that list. Okay, and it was eBay. Okay. So now, I don't know if you saw my last video. Okay. Let me see if I can bring that up real quick. Hold on one second. Okay, if you remember my last video, I showed you how to revamp a website using the PLR rights. Okay, PLR downloads. Okay, this was the branding formula. Okay, and I took this old style. It's a sales page. You can use it as a lead capture page. You can use it as a lead magnet page. Anything you want to do with it. And basically, it's the same. Okay, because we have the total PL master resale rights to it. So I can redo this any way I want, just to make it more modern. Okay. This is what you really need, a website. Okay, you really need a website. Okay, and I already made a video about the 3D book covers. And that's in the description. I'll leave a link to this video on how I made this. Okay, and web starts, the ultimate drag and drop. Okay, so now basically, where do you start from here? You know, how do you decide to pick these? So you go to my list that I give you. Okay, you go to rwcweb.com/BG for beginner's guide. Okay, B as in boy, B as in beginners, G as in guide. Okay, it'll take you right here. Put your name and email in that box, and it'll take you to this PDF, and then from there, okay, you're going to get the URL link and a username and password to get in to the list of over 300 niche ideas. Okay, so I just took eBay. Now, obviously, you know, in order to do this, now this is freeplrdownloads.com. I'm not an affiliate to them because this is all free. Okay, so say I picked the eBay niche. Now, what you want to do, okay, because, you know, say I took this, the untold branding secrets. Okay, this was my niche. Okay, that I wanted to promote. Okay, now you gotta have a website or a blog. You gotta get the information. Now, in the ebook, okay, in my beginner's guide, I can show you 3 ways to acquire that. Okay, one of them is through PLR, okay, private label rights, and you're going to get master resale rights as well with this. Okay, so you're going to go pick a niche off of my list. Okay, eBay happened to be on that list. Now, in order to do the sales page or the squeeze page or the blog, okay, you're going to want to pick one that has, I'm going to open this in a new tab. Okay, eBay, open it in a new tab, eBay, open it in a new tab, so forth. You get the picture. Let's open this one up. Okay, e-cover, sales page not included. Okay, but that's okay. We're going to still download this. Okay, because it's 23 pages. Okay, this is the niche, eBay Internet Marketing. Okay, it's a very small file, which is great. Okay, now let's see what kind of, if it even tells you. Okay, that's about the site. So now what I did was, let's take this over here. Alright, where are we with it here? Alright, this is another one. Sales page not included. Okay, eBay PLR articles. Okay. So this is the information that you're going to use. Look at this one. It contains 165 articles. Alright, so on average, you know, you're going to need at least minimum 250, 500 to 1,000 words of content on your pages. Okay, you're gonna need that. So here you can get it free. Okay, it's all done for you. All right, so here's another one. Okay, we clicked that one. On eBay, fun guide to cashing in on the internet, top action site. This okay, eBay, yeah. Okay, 5 easy steps to posting your front. Okay, this is fantastic. Okay, so again, it doesn't have a sales page, not included. Okay, unrestricted private label rights. Come on, it's yours. You make it yours. Okay, what does this one have? Okay, small business, used, lead pages. Oh wait, that's an advertisement. That's a, and you know, when you come to these free sites, okay, I do this all the time. Give them a click on their AdSense. Okay, give them a click on their AdSense. Alright? Because that's how they make their money. When we click on these ads here. So give them a click or two every time you go to the site. Okay? It's nothing. It ain't going to cost you nothing to click it. And whoever made this site will get 25 cents, 30 cents, you know, for your trouble. Okay, sellers, it really works. Home selling on eBay. Okay, so we got it there. Unrestricted private label rights. We love that. And again, squeeze page not included. Okay, so now let's get one. eBay. Open a new tab. Okay, sales page included. Boom. Pay dirt. Okay. Unrestricted private label rights, baby. UPRL. We love that. Okay. 1 megabyte. 1 megabyte. Alright, so you're getting a picture, so I'm going to gather all of these. Now, I've already downloaded them. Okay. Already downloaded them. 101 weekend. 101. Oh, 1001. Let me make this a little biggie wiggy here. My old eyes. Okay. Private label articles. Okay, so let's start the procedure. We're going to go into these. This one's got a sales page, so that's the one we're going to extract first. Okay. I'm going to extract it. Alright, let it do its thing. I'm going to take a drink. And bada boom. Okay, now let's get this going, biggie wiggy here. Alright, let's check out the e-cover first, which is, yeah, they're old, it's primitive. Alright, but we can revamp that. You know we can revamp that. You've seen the old DOS school, old DOS Geek revamping that. Okay, always check the private label rights because look, I got yes on everything. Yes. Look at this. Look at this. Can do whatever you want with this product, baby. If it's for free, it's for me. Okay? Somebody texted me, but we don't care. We're doing this. All right, now let's look at this sales page. Index. Let's see how this looks. Ooh, colorful. All right, so now this is what we're going to do. We're going to just take all of this information, okay? It's got some snazzy stuff on it. Might even be able to use that. I have no idea what the heck that is, but okay. All right. So now the only thing you gotta watch with these things like this, $37. That was a lot for back then. Is if there's any kind of date in there. Okay, you see like this right here, copyright 2008. We're not going to do that. You're going to put that on your website, okay, or your blog. You don't even have to put a copyright on a blog. Okay, but you're going to go through this, read it real quick. Okay, it's only one sales page. All right, and I've been doing eBay for a long time. Okay, and then, they tell you to rebrand this. Okay, so we're going to take something like this. Remember like I showed you the other one. And we're going to modernize it like this. I make these sites in WebStarts. WebStarts is not only the ultimate drag and drop, okay, but it's so quick and easy to make these sites like this in WebStarts. It's amazing. It just amazes me. Okay? So that's how you're going to start. So now from there, okay, what this other one is. Oh, reseller. Okay, that's the branding thing we were looking at. Now, let's go to the next guy real quick because I'm already on 15 minutes on this video. Okay, so you see this is the zip folder. So once we unzip it, just get rid of it. Save memory on your computer. Okay, so now we're going to go to the next one. We're going to extract all. Bada boom. Okay, extract all. Okay. Again, check the license. Look, everything is yes. So as long as you see those yeses there. Okay, so now let's see. Oh, wow. Look at this, huh? You can sell anything on eBay. Let's see. Look, and it's in a text. Oh man, this is going to be so easy to copy and paste this into the website. So easy. Okay? I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. Look, it even tells you the word count. Is that a phenomenal thing? Okay, private label rights. Sell what you love on eBay. This is fantastic. You can fill your blog up with this. Okay? Who's this guy? That one is a word processor. The best kept secret of eBay. Alright, so 543 words. Okay? So you see where I'm going with this, gang? Okay, you see where I'm going with this? With these private label rights. I mean, it's just utterly fantastic. Okay? So this is Ray, the old DOS geek, rwcweb.com, Rayware Computers since 1996. Okay? Give me a like and a subscribe. Hit that notification button. I'll have all kinds of stuff for you. Now, I'm going to take this eBay thing and I'm going to revamp it into a little blog and show you how I can do this, how you can do it. Anybody can do this. It's so easy. It's all for free, okay? Say it with me. If it's for free, it's for me, okay? You can get you started on your way with your affiliate marketing. Don't get discouraged. Keep the faith, okay? Do one thing at a time. Go to rwcweb.com/BG for Beginner's Guide. Get that ebook. Get this information. It's great stuff. It's going to help you get started on your way. Take care.